Okay, today we are making vegan chicken wraps. Here's the main ingredient. These are a product by Gardein. They're crispy vegan chicken tenders. We'll start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion for this product. It's just what I used for this. And I'm going to cut up some green onion and some green cabbage as you see here. While the oven is preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to mix up the sauce. It's vegan mayonnaise with some ketchup. Simply mix the two together. And the quantity depends on how many people you're serving or how many wraps you plan on making. So quick, easy, simple. Oven's ready. Again, 425 for about 10 minutes. We'll take them out. Flip them all over. You want them to be lightly golden brown. You don't want them dark. These can burn easily. And then we'll put them in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Just got to watch them. Okay, they're done now. We got our tortillas out. I'm just going to layer some of the cabbage on here. Layer a couple of these vegan chicken fillets. And some fresh green onion. Then we'll add some of our sauce and roll up the wrap. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.